Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you how to open a Discover Bank checking account online. Start by opening discover.com in your web browser. Scroll down and click on Online Banking. Then go to Savings and click on Savings Account. Next, click the Open an Account button from your top right corner. To create a new account, click on Continue, given in the New to Discover section. On this page, fill in all your details along with your taxpayer ID, date of birth, and last name. Once done, click on Continue. Next, add your contact details and address. Once done, click on Continue to go next. After that, you'll be asked a few more questions like country of citizenship and occupation. Lastly, you will need to choose if you want to use your country for international transactions or not. Answer all of these questions and click on Continue to proceed further. Now in this field, you can put an offer code if you have any. Once done, click on Continue. Then click Agree and Continue to accept the terms and conditions. Your account has now been created. Now, you just need to make an initial deposit, or you can skip this step for now. That's it. Your online application has been sent. Now, you just need to call this number to confirm your information. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.